All right, so here we thing. Oh, you ever did play? We're going to how to play with confidence on to improve your sound. Let's talk about play with confidence. Let's talk about the play with confidence. And you just join the sound and you over to there. Then how to play get down and then okay. Stephen Ryan, Steve Marshall, Stephen Ryan, Clarence Clemens, Antonio Randolph, and Jason Marshall. Those type of players you play confidence. That was Sid's, Charlie Parker, Derek Coltrane, and John Coltrane, and Eric Russell. And so you would think we need to play for confidence and you have to make that style of the corporate question. No, they have to try to talk about this. And we'll talk about that later. But what we gotta do is the association. We need to talk about this right here in the articulation. We need to play with confidence. Again, now you talk about we talk about the layout. We talk about the lay-in, talk about the layout for that, and we talk about the high low and the real loud growling and split altissimos and the whole altissimo notes with the whole note quarter note when you're making that style. Because what you it's just a question and you talk about David Brecker and Michael Brecker. And you're making the lowest note with the low B flat. They're all brothers, Michael and David Brecker. And you have a T on, and then to make that sound, you're going to do that. But you just don't answer this. The answer you to play confidence, like Charlie Parker and Anthony Parker. And those are the sax legends. Back in late 70s, early 80s, and the early 90s. Here we go. Let's talk about the articulations. The articulations when it was like karaoke. And the karaoke, isn't she lovely? Shake Everything You've Got with Maceo Parker. Here we go. We're try to get it Albany. Okay, let's try this. That's cool. What a wonderful job. Okay. Let's talk about dynamics. Dynamics, you have a beginning sound of a conclusion. And you try to do an awesome job, make it do it good, make it perhaps you there, and make it real smooth, like Gerald, like Jason Albright, Gerald Russo, and Dr. Fedor McGill with the sax school. And the dynamic, it was cool and all. It's all right, get this right, cool, you have confidence. But what you got, you just have to try to cover the sound, the low sax. And what you got to do is, you go to the gym. Okay, I'm having this right now. Again, tenor saxophonist. It is I'm making the saxophonist Sean Banks. Okay. Okay, let's go let's go to D flat major scale. That's a D flat major scale. Okay, this is not gonna go to complete it. Visit the website at www.scottlandrysaxophone.com and follow us on Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. Put this dial on your free PDL. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next. We'll see you next. We'll see you next two. We'll see you good people next 2 weeks. Next 2 weeks before Christmas. I'll see you later.